Do you ever feel like life is passing you by while you are stuck in the same old routines? You know something needs to change, but figuring out how to start can feel impossible. What if I told you that just 1 month of small intentional steps could spark big changes in your life? In this video, I'm going to guide you through a simple 4-week framework to help you redesign your life and create lasting change. Hi, I'm Dominika, an Oxford lawyer and ICF certified life coach. On this channel, I share practical tools and insights to help you live with more clarity, purpose, and confidence. Today, I'm taking you through a 30-day framework that has the power to completely redesign your life. It's simple, actionable, and focused on making meaningful changes one small step at a time. Let's dive in. Week 1, awareness, setting the foundation. So, this first week is all about becoming mindful of where you are and identifying the areas you want to change. Take some time each day to reflect on these key questions. What in your life currently feels out of alignment? What areas do you feel stuck in? What does your ideal life look like? If you are feeling completely lost or unsure about what truly matters to you, I recommend checking out my video on the legacy exercise. This guided reflection helps you imagine the impact you want to leave behind, uncover your deepest values, and clarify what truly matters in your life. It's an eye-opening experience that sets the perfect foundation for this step. To be honest, one of the most difficult things for me has been figuring out what I really want in life. I used to pursue goals that I thought I should achieve because they were expected of me. But achieving these goals didn't make me happy. And it wasn't until I took the time to figure out my core values, my passions, and what success truly meant to me that I started to feel aligned with my life. So really, this is an important step. So, action step for the week. Set aside 10 minutes each day for journaling and reflecting. By the end of the week, you will have a clearer understanding of the areas that need your focus. Remember, successful people know what they want, and this step is how you will figure that out for yourself. Week 2, goal setting, creating your plan. Now that you have gained clarity, it's time to create a roadmap. This week, focus on setting 2-3 realistic goals that align with your values and intentions. Here's how to do it. First, be specific. For example, instead of I want to be healthier, try I want to exercise, let's say 3 times a week. Second, keep it meaningful. Again, make sure your goals reflect what truly matters to you, not just what others expect of you. 3, set a timeline. These should be actionable within the next few weeks or months. If you are feeling a bit all over the place, my goal matrix exercise video is exactly what you need. This practical tool helps you prioritize your goals based on what matters most and where you have made progress. By the end, you will know exactly where to focus your energy and which goals can wait. Action step for this week. Write down your goals and place them somewhere visible. On a sticky note on your desk, a vision board, or even as a phone wallpaper. Keeping them in sight will keep them top of your mind. Week 3, habit formation, building daily momentum. This week is all about turning your goals into actionable habits. Start small and focus on daily actions that support your goals. For example, if your goal is to exercise, commit to just 10 minutes of movement each day. If you want to save money, start by tracking your daily spending. The key is to avoid overwhelming yourself. One of the most important lessons I've learned is the power of small, consistent actions. As James Clear talks about in Atomic Habits, if you work on getting just 1% better every day, over time those small improvements compound into massive change. So it's not about making huge leaps overnight. Rather, it's about small, consistent choices that align with the life you want to create. These small actions build momentum, and over time they lead to massive change. Action step for the week. Choose one small habit for each goal and commit to it daily for the rest of the month. Week 4. Reflection and adjustment. Fine-tuning your path. Okay, by this point you have gained awareness, set goals and build habits. Now it's time to reflect on your progress and plan your next steps to keep growing. So ask yourself, what's working well for me? What has been challenging and how can I overcome it? Do my goals still feel aligned, or do I need to change them a bit? Use this time to refine your approach and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. The insights you have gained this month will guide you in continuing your journey, whether it's continuing a habit or taking on a new challenge. This reflection will ensure you keep growing and moving forward. Action step for the week. Set aside 15-20 minutes at the end of the week to journal, reflect, or meditate on your progress. Use this time to plan your next steps for the upcoming months. And there you have it, a 30-day framework to help you redesign your life and create lasting change. Remember, transformation doesn't happen overnight, but with small, consistent steps, you will be amazed at what you can achieve in just 1 month. If you found this helpful, check out my video on 3 simple steps to change your life at any age. And before you go, I would love to hear from you in the comments. What area of your life are you focusing on redesigning this month? Let me know. I would love to hear about your experience. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.